What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on Elongate coin. First of all, let's start with their website. So, Elongate is a crypto project that began as a parody of Elon Musk's tweet referencing the Watergate Scandal. It has since ballooned into an active community in the tens of thousands who intend to use the power and leverage of meme culture in order to raise awareness of and combat world hunger. The project is tied with an NFT marketplace, which is 80% of its income will go to charity. Combining building a meme community with good deeds through the power of the people is what Elongate is all about. And I love this statement very much. Here we can see 4 core values. Let's start one by one. Charity. We can make a real impact for the greater good, not just ourselves. By donating to charity, we remind ourselves of our duty to make this world a better place for everyone. Community. Founded by the community and for the community, we take pride in our collective mission. We support each other and other communities and we have fun doing it. Clarity. We share transparent information with each other and the community. We are organized, cohesive, and all push in the same direction. Sustainability. The future is coming and we are ready for it. We make every decision with consideration for its ripple effects, and we are committed to a long-term vision. Very good values. I love these values and basically I like very much the Elongate so far. The Elongate ecosystem. Let me skip it for now because we will see it in a white paper. And here you can see a bunch of network. And as usual, let's take a look on their official Twitter. Here you can see that they have 12.7 thousand followers. It's not so many than, for example, SafeMoon has for now, but I think they are still growing. And they have recent tweets. On April the 4th, they have Twitter that they launch a white paper. The last few hours have been crazy journey for all of us. I'm sure you all had blast during the AMA. We are not yet done, and here is the cherry on top of what we've promised. And here is the link on their white paper. And let me continue with it. So we have 13 pages, and they have the same core values as I've read you recently. And here is their roadmap. As you can see, they have not only overview, but the current status of its roadmap. And I think it's a very good idea to do so because we can follow their journey. And basically, it's very useful for you to read this white paper because you can better understand their key value. For example, the following are some details of where we stand in our Q2 goals. Rebranding of all Elongate's assets is currently underway. Second, the Elongate leadership team is currently formalizing a recruitment process to onboard professionals and talents from our community. Third, our corporate social responsibility will be performed in a multiple-pronged approach, which includes bi-weekly every other week, charity donation starting April the 4th, 2021. Very good point. Voting rights to be handed to the community to choose our succeeding pool of charities to support. The details of our voting system will be communicated further. And it's amazing that community decides where will the money go. Elongate is listing in major exchanges that share our belief. We will favor listing in exchanges where a charitable donation can be done in lieu of the listing fee. This initiative is currently in the works. Next one, we have officially reached out to CoinGecko to have Elongate listed. CoinMarketCap will be the next. Very good news for the holders of this coin. The Elongate NFT launchpad is currently undergoing a major overhaul under the leadership of our engineering and logistics department. I think it's a very clever idea to make this approach to share all the details of their successes and maybe fails with their community. And here we have Q3 and Q4, forging of corporate partnerships, a launch of novelty merchandise for the Elongate community, a global press release outlining confirmed launches in major exchanges, and Q4 will be diversification into real-world use cases. And let me show you their tokenomics. The token's utility can be summarized into three fundamentals: earn, burn through token extraction, and charity. These will be further explained in the proceedings of this chapter. And let me show you this data. The charity burn of the extracted BNB: 67% charity, 20% marketing fund, 13% business and logistics fund. Of the extracted elongate, they have 67% burn, 33% community giveaways. In other words, 1% of the accumulated transaction volume of the 2-week period will be donated to charity, and an equal amount will be burned. And here you can see that transaction fee model, they have 90% sent to destination, and the other 10% also split by half. 5% holder reward distribution, absolutely the same as SafeMoon has, and 5% to the liquidity pool fee. And here we have the difference between these two tokens. From this new cycle, we can see that 60% token extraction moving right here. And here we have the charity donation, the majority of this pie, and two minor pies, two minor slices of this pie to marketing and to business needs. And the extracted elongate will divide it like this. The majority will be burned, and the rest of them will be given away. And basically I like this white paper very much, and I'm excited about this protocol. I'm excited about this token, and here is their charity. As a community built around corporate social responsibility, Elongate will constantly integrate the charity aspect in all our intangible and tangible offerings and the use cases. Moving forward, our chosen charities will continue to evolve as we get more input from the community. A proper form and voting system will be put in place. As of Q2 2021, the following charities will be part of the Elongate journey. And let me define them. It is United Nations World Food Programme, Action Against Hunger, Big Green Organization, Children International. And in my opinion, they have very good intentions for this token, and I think it's very interesting token just from the charitable standpoint. And here is the team of this token, and as you can see, you can reach them by LinkedIn. And here is the disclaimer, and the main disclaimer is right here: investment risks. And I also insist you to read all the risks that might be involved in this process, in the process of the investment. The team does not recommend that any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. By purchasing Elongate, you agree that you are not purchasing a security or investment, and you agree to hold the team harmless and not liable for any losses or taxes you may incur. You also agree that the team is presenting the token as is and is not required to provide any support or services. So before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So as you can see, we are on a 12-hour time frame, and we have this structure, and I think we have two waves for now, and we are forming the fourth retracement for now, and I'm sure it will be lower. And let's switch to 1 hour time frame. What do we have here? It's rather difficult to make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, but let me try to do so. Basically, you can see that we have several waves. It is much more than 5 waves. How to make a breakdown? Basically, the volume will help you. As you can see, here we have the first spike, here the second, the third one, and these 3 volumes are the biggest across the whole wave to the upside. And this implies our third wave. So in the middle of the entire structure, we have the third wave, and let me show it to you. This is the bottom of the first wave in the third, second, third, fourth and fifth, and this entire structure implies the third wave of this in this greater scale. So this means that here from the bottom we have our first wave, here is the retracement, here is the top of our third wave retracement, and basically I think this is the top. Right here we have the entire structure, and basically I don't think that we have to break down this one, the fifth wave, because with this huge candle we can see that it retraced more than initial wave right here, and that's why I think it might be the fifth wave already completed. So with this assumption we might measure the retracement of this entire structure, and to do so I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this structure to the top of this structure, and here we have the levels. 0.236 level already broken with this long candle. 0.382, 0.5 I think we will hit it in nearest future. And the most probable zone of trend reversal right here at 0.618 and 0.65. I think we have to wait until the market will reveal itself, but for now we have this data, and let me show you indicators. As you can see, we are on 1 hour time frame. We have bearish divergence all across the RSI, and let me switch to 4 hour time frame. Yes, we have absolutely the same picture. So what does it mean, bearish divergence? It means we have lower highs on RSI compared to higher highs with the price action. This means we might go lower from our current price point to unload entire structure. I mean to unload this whole structure. And for now it is too early to make an assumption where this asset will land, on which level, but I will do an update in nearest future, and then we will see how we can handle with this token. And basically, all in all, I like this token because they have very good intention to help people all over the world, and I think you have to at least put this token into your watch list and decide whether or not you want to invest in this token. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!